All right, carb tune numero quattro. All right, let's try this one. All right, folks, welcome back to another episode of Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie. This is the Odyssey Life Workshop, and we are super excited you stopped by today, because today is part 2 of the 38mm Lectron Billetron Long Body Carburetor install. Today is testing and tuning. Guys, in the last video, I wasn't thinking that it's just common knowledge, or it should be, if you're serious about tuning your machine correctly, that you should let your machine warm up for 10 minutes at least to bring the engine up to temperature, then determine whether it's running rich or lean. So that's what we're going to start out with today. We're going to jump right over the Fl350, get her pushed up in the garage, fire her up, let her get warmed up. Then we'll find out if she's running rich or lean. And then, if we have to, we'll go ahead, pull that slide, use our metering rod tool with the easy tune kit they gave us. We do have to turn our idle up, but we'll get all that, and super excited about it, guys. We're so glad you stopped by for the Fl350 testing and tune. Link in the description for our proud sponsor, OdATV. And stick around to the end of the video. I'll tell you all about the GT250 Honda Odyssey Fl250 giveaway machine. All right, guys, let's get to work. All right, guys, let's see if she's gonna fire up. Let's turn the choke on the Lectron Carburetor. All right, let's see if it'll fire up this morning. Fired up, all right. Wow. Yeah, it won't even idle, like it won't even start. Oh yeah, I'm not even letting that run for 10 minutes. It doesn't even sound good. All right, guys, let me get you set up. We're gonna pop that slide. We're gonna adjust our metering rod, and we're gonna get this baby running better. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna remove our easy outs, and then we're gonna pull this slide up, and I'm gonna show you how we are going to adjust this carb. They make it super easy, so we don't even have to remove the carburetor, the air box, or anything. It's a whole different carb tuning experience, allegedly. We'll see. But we did watch the carb tune video, how to adjust the metering rod, which is the main source of fuel adjustment, other than the power jet. All right, we got our 2 easy outs. Let's get our metering rod tool. Here we go. We're gonna pull our slide up, noticing the orientation of the slide. This is facing away from the engine, which, if you look at your metering rod, the curved side is facing away from the engine, and then they said the flat side faces towards the engine. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take our metering rod tool, we're gonna insert it flat side like so, and it's right rich, left lean. So we're gonna make a 1/4 turn. And then to readjust, we have to push up. It's spring loaded, you'll feel it. When you push up, you unlock the threads and you're able to spin the metering rod without messing your adjustment up. So we reorientated the flat side of the slide towards the front of the engine, towards the engine. And that's it, guys. We made a 1/4 turn adjustment that they recommended on the video. Now, since we're done and the flat side of the slide is facing towards the engine, we're going to drop the slide back in. We should see a significant difference in the way it ran to the way it's going to run now. They say you can do these carb adjustments trail side, so we'll go ahead, we'll put our 2 easy outs back in. Alright, snug them down finger tight. While we have the machine off, I'm going to go ahead and turn our idle screw, which I don't know, can't see it. Get through the side of the, we have to come in through the side. You can just get to it. Alright, we turned that up a 1/2 turn. Alright, we got our idle turned up. We got our metering rod turned back left to lean. Let's go ahead and refire this bad girl up, see if we get a better result. Alright guys, let's do this. Let's give her a whirl, guys. We've dropped that needle a 1/4 inch, so we should start without the choke at any time. It's not even close. Listen, the problem was me. I was turning the metering rod in the wrong direction. We were actually in a super lean condition. It didn't have any fuel. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this back on. We're going to fire it up. It's actually idling now again. So let's tighten up these screws, start it up with it, and it's going to fire up without the choke. So let's see let's see. Ooh. I don't know, guys. I'm at a loss. Let me know what you think in the comments about what the problem could be or how we can remedy it. I'm not a Lectron professional. I planned on doing some donuts, guys. Alright, I'll see you for the outro. So disappointing. Alright, folks. I don't know what to say. Like, I've never had something stump me so bad. Just to install it right out of the box and have it be so off. And then, you know, not be able to make it run and idle. I don't know what to do. I'd really like it if you guys with the Lectron Carbs would go ahead and blow up the comment section. Give me some tip, tricks, and ideas on what you did to get your Lectron dialed in on your Fl350. So, guys, no donuts. I'm super disappointed. I almost don't even want to make the video, but if I don't share it with you guys, the disappointments and the triumphs wouldn't be real TV now, would it? Anyway, guys, don't forget about the GT250 Honda Odyssey giveaway machine. Subscribe to Odyssey Life for your free chance to win. This whole project is sponsored by our proud sponsor, Joe from Odd ATV. This is his way to give back to you guys for buying parts for 17 years. He's super excited and super grateful for every one of you. And big announcement, guys. Next weekend, Odyssey Life YouTube channel hits the road. We're heading out to Michigan to visit with a subscriber, Gage Harland. He's got our next project, guys. Actually, he's got our first build. We are going to pick up a 1980 Honda Odyssey Fl350. The kicker is it already has a 340cc snowmobile engine on it. So go figure. I want to do something that's super cool. A lot of you guys out there have an Fl350 and you can better relate to an Fl350 build. The Fl350 seems to be a whole different crowd. So I'm going to be joining the Fl350 club, guys, and we're super excited here at Odyssey Life. We will be bringing you along for the trip. We're going to be doing some ripping and riding with Gage, and I'm going to bring a GoPro. It's going to be a super good time, so make sure you tune in for that. So I guess that's a video for the week, guys. Don't forget, as I always say, if you're riding, stay safe, wear a helmet, and don't forget, it ain't work if you're having fun. But today seemed a little bit more like work than fun because we didn't get a positive result and we didn't get to go feel the wind in our hair and get dirt in our face while spinning donuts with the Fl350. I'll see you next week, maybe sooner. Till then, I'll see you when I see you. Oh, man.